Vijana wetu wameisha. Kwa kitanda, instead ya kulala kwa kitanda juu, wanalala chini. Wamama ndio wanalala juu peke yao. Ukienda shule zetu zote, the classrooms are empty. Hata hii magavana hizi dimu na shida mkiweka pesa is nonsense. There are no children. Because this ethanol inakuja ikiwa mixed, inamaliza all the systems kwa hivi vijana wetu. All the batteries are down. Hata ikiwekwa charge, they cannot pick. So, our women are crying. And that is the truth. You know, many people don't want to say the truth. Me, I'm a truthful man. I say the truth. The truth. It's a bad situation. And this cannot happen. Leaders, those of us who have been elected, Madam Waiguru, Governor Kahiga, Badirisha, Kangata, Wamatangi, what shall we tell our people? Where are we? What shall we tell the people who elected us? When we meet them, what shall we tell them? When our children got wiped out by alcohol and drugs, where were we? We'll have nothing to say. Dede Nyoro, Kimani Ichung'wa, Madhenge, mutaambia watu nini? Mukami, mutaambia watu nini? So please, this forum here today, let us be open and candid. Speak from your heart. Let us know what ails us. What is it must we do? We have the support of the president and he's waiting. He has told me by 7 p.m. today, he wants a report. He cannot accept this situation. He cannot. Neither can I. And none of you should accept this situation. It is not right. It is not fair. It is not acceptable. We must deal with it as leaders. And we are here, we are all leaders. As an OCS, you are a leader. That's why you have been given that responsibility. As an ACC, you are a leader. County Commissioner, wewe ni kiongozi. DCIO, wewe ni kiongozi. Sisi ni viongozi. Na juu ya hayo, sisi ni wazazi. Tafadhalini, tukubaliane, tutafute suluhisho. Na tukipata, tuende tufanye kazi. It is possible. It is